Hidden iPhone menu reveals your real battery condition. If you check your standard battery info in settings, which is if you go with your battery section, go with battery health and charging, here you will have your maximum capacity. This section does not show you the real battery cycle count. For this, you need to download battery stats shortcut. Open up your preferred web browser. I'll just simply go with Safari, Chrome, or whatever that you prefer, and search for iPhone battery stats shortcut. This search is vital to access the specific shortcut needed for battery status. You can go with the first link, click on the first search result. Typically, this will be the most relevant and official source by pay forward. You need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option or a blue link, which is right here. Check your iPhone's battery cycle count or download your battery stats shortcut. You need to just simply tap on it. In my case, I already have that shortcut, but if you've not added that shortcut yet, then you just need simply go with add shortcut, which will be on the bottom, to check your iPhone's battery cycle count. This is essential for retrieving detailed battery information. You will be redirected to the Shortcuts application. If you don't have it, consider downloading the Shortcuts app from the App Store, and the shortcut will be added. This now integrates the necessary script to fetch battery cycle count details. Now return to the home screen and open the settings again. Now scroll down a bit and you will find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it, then scroll down again. After that, go with analytics and improvements. Now go with analytics data, and here you just need simply go with the recent analytics data. Like in my case, today is 17th May. So you just need simply go and check 17 analytics. Once you find it, you just need simply tap on it and then go with share button, which will be in the top. And here you just need simply go with more, which will be on the right side, and tap on battery stats. Once you tap on it, as you can see that you will have all of your information like your maximum FCC, which is original maximum capacity, and your current maximum capacity and the number of complete charge cycles, and relative to when it was new, your battery capacity is this much. This is your real iPhone battery health or your battery status. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.